Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious steak and eggs, a classic and satisfying meal. We'll start by selecting the perfect cut of steak, like a beautiful ribeye or sirloin, about 1 inch thick. Remember to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that amazing crust. Then, season it generously on both sides with plenty of salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly flavorful experience. Now, let's cook that steak to perfection. Get your cast iron skillet screaming hot over medium-high heat until it's just smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side for a beautiful medium rare. In the last minute, add 1 tablespoon of butter, a smashed garlic clove, and some fresh herbs for basting. This adds incredible flavor. While your steak rests, it's time to prepare the eggs. You can choose your favorite style, whether it's sunny side up, scrambled, or perfectly fried. For fried eggs, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat with about 1 teaspoon of butter. Crack 2 eggs into the pan and cook gently until the whites are just set and the yolks are still runny. Remember to season your eggs lightly with salt and pepper right before serving for the best taste. The final step is all about presentation and enjoying your hard work. Always let your cooked steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This keeps it juicy. Then, slice it against the grain into beautiful, half-inch thick pieces for maximum tenderness. Arrange the perfectly sliced steak alongside your freshly cooked eggs on a warm plate. A sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley adds a lovely touch. Now, dig in and savor your incredible homemade steak and eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.